To replace your centrifugal or sprinkler motor, you will start by unscrewing the wing bolt and nut underneath the atomizer disc. Once these are unscrewed, the spring and atomizer disc can be removed. Next, remove the three 2.5 mm screws on top of the motor and lower the motor. A 17 mm wrench or pliers can be used to remove the nut on the spray rod hose. Then, disconnect the spray rod signal cable from the centrifugal motor. If this is the first time your motor has been changed, take a knife or a screwdriver and scrape away the wax around the connector. Plug in the signal cable and reattach the spray rod hose and fixing nut, and complete all of the steps you followed to get here in reverse. Once the spray rod hose and fixing nut is attached, hold the motor up and screw in the three 2.5 mm screws on the top of the motor. While holding the atomizer disc up to the motor, put the spring back in the plastic nut with the white end sticking up. Press firmly and tighten the plastic nut. Lastly, tighten the wing bolt. Make sure that the atomizer disc is in the up position to help prevent leaks. Now you have successfully changed your centrifugal motor on your spray rod.